which allows the administrator to switch between their administration portal and their teacher account. So let's get started. The way this works is if you click on your admin, you'd log in as the administrator, and for example, I can see now there's no switching account set up. So I go to the Teachers tab, click on View Invite, add a new teacher. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically create a brand new account with the same details as the administrator account. What's very important here is that you make sure that the email address is the same as the administrator account. That will allow you to switch between each profile. You can upload a mobile number if you want, date of birth, and then obviously just choose a profile photo if you have one available. Click Submit. So now I've got my George Clooney administrator account, and I've got the new George Clooney teacher account. If you click on the profile photo now, you won't see the link yet. The page has to refresh, so you can basically just click on any button on the site. The page now it's loaded a new page. Now if you click on the profile photo, you'll see the new teacher account over here. Okay, so that's step one. Step two is I'm not linked to a classroom yet. So now I can go and add myself to multiple classrooms. I click on, sorry, I need to go across to the administrator account because only the administrator can allocate and create classrooms. So I click on View Classrooms. I now want to allocate myself to grade 8. So I click on, under the actions, I click on Edit Classroom, and I allocate George Clooney. Click Submit. So there I am. If I go back to the teacher account, you'll see I'm linked to grade 8 at the top here. But what happens if I want to add myself to multiple grades? I go back to the administrator account, click on Classrooms, click on View a Classroom. Now I want to link myself to grade 9. So I click on Edit Classroom, click on George Clooney, and click Submit. So now I'm linked to grades 8 and 9. So if I go back to my teacher account, what's important here is I can toggle between the grades. So if I wanted to upload, for example, news for grade 8, I'm just going to put your test news, grade 8. Let's upload an image. Just pick any image that we have. Click Add News. So there's the news I uploaded for grade 8. It won't appear for grade 9 because when there's parents log in, you don't want the grade 9 parents seeing grade 8 news. So basically whatever happens within grade 8 will only be available to the grade 8 parents and students. And that's applicable across every module. For example, if I go into attendance, today's attendance, I now have grade 8 and grade 9 students for the attendance. For example, let's go into academic reports. There's academic reports for grade 8, and there's the one for grade 9. I hope that's useful. If you've got any questions, please email support@childcloud.co.za.